Hey guys, welcome back to the channel on our regular Sunday. As promised, I have the brand new Promaster diver from Citizen, and I want to thank Citizen again for another collaboration. I really appreciate it. It's fun to review Citizen watches. I love Citizen watches. Anyway, this is a Citizen exclusive. You're only supposed to be able to get these on their website. This is model number BN0260-54L. It's a fantastic looking watch. I don't know if it's a replacement for something else or if it's just going to be its own line. I have no idea. Great looking watch. Anyway, let's check it out. Now this is normally the part where I would say, hey look, check out my Amazon shopping channel if you like this or any of the other watches I reviewed on my channel. This is not on Amazon yet. In fact, you can't get it on Amazon, at least not for a while, I'm sure, because again, this is a Citizen exclusive. So this is your typical Citizen outer watch box. Y'all seen these scuba tanks a million times on my channel. I always love them. Now, when you get these in sort of like limited or special edition, sometimes they're gold, sometimes they're red. They do something special with the scuba tank watch box if you get like a limited edition. This is not a limited edition. This is just exclusive to Citizen. So nothing special about the scuba tank. Let's open it up. Here's your first look at the watch right there. In fact, let me go ahead and take it out. There you go. Good looking watch, man. Really, really good looking watch. Now, of course, with these, you get the a little battery reminder thing, because it's got a battery, chargeable battery, and you get a little pamphlet down there that tells you to register your watch on Citizen. If you want to check out the manual, go to the Citizen website and check out the manual. That's what that stuff is down there. Nobody cares about any of that crapola. So let's get this stuff out of the way. In fact, let me take it off the pillow here real quick. I'll go ahead and give you all the 7 specs you need to know, and then we will dive more into this watch. Again, I'm not sure if it's a replacement for a couple other models or it's just its own model. I have no idea. So anyway, here we go. Here are the specs. You got a 41 millimeter stainless steel case. It's 12 millimeters thick. It's 47.5 millimeters lug to lug. The bracelet tapers from 20 millimeters down to 18 millimeters. And of course, it's stainless steel. Water resistance is 200 meters, which is 660 feet. You get the venerable Citizen E168 movement with about a 10-month power reserve. And you do get a sapphire crystal on this model range, which is pretty cool. Anyway, if you want to check out all the other specs, check down there in the description field. Like it is hackable. It's got Citizen Natulite. It's got a 60 click instead of 120 click UniDirectional bezel. It weighs 140 grams. Anyway, check down there in the description field if you want to see all those different specs. So let's take a look at this, man. Again, I don't know if this is a replacement for the 7-year-old BN0190-55 series. Let me go ahead and show you that over here. That's the watch I think it might be a replacement for, because this model range is about 7 years old. That does not have a sapphire crystal. This does have a sapphire crystal. Or it might be the replacement for the original OG Promaster diver. And I'll put that watch and model number underneath there on the left-hand side as well. I'm not quite sure. I don't think it's a replacement for this one, but it's possible. Or again, it could just be its own new model range. It has similar specs to those other two. This does have a sapphire crystal instead of a mineral crystal. So it's, I guess, a little bit of an upgrade. I mean, it's definitely an upgrade. So again, I'm not quite sure where this kind of lies in Citizen's product range. So anyway, I love the handset. I love the dial. I love these markers up here at 12 o'clock. They are applied. They got plenty of lume in there. I love that handset. Absolutely love that handset, man. Really, really cool. You have a radial brushing on the dial, as you can see. Pretty nice. Minimal writing. You got Citizen up there at 12. You got Eco Drive and Divers 200 meter down here at 6. Got a nice date window with the white border. Really cool looking dial. I mean, it's not like the dial is crazy creative or inventive. It's just a good looking diver dial. I mean, that's basically what it is. So look, you got some, like, not serrated edges, but a little bit of a coin edge here on the 60 click, not 100 click, 60 click unidirectional bezel. Here is your crown. Crown is buttery smooth. I mean, real, almost like a Swiss crown. You got some crown guards here. Let me see, is it signed? Yep, it's signed with the Promaster logo right there. Mostly brushing around the case. Nothing spectacular about the case. Nice bracelet. You do have the built-in diver's extension, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. Let me go ahead and unlock it. You got a 2-button closure. I still got a little sticker right here on the bracelet. You got a milled scissor clasp. Very nice. I can't see what that says, what stainless steel. There you go. And you do have the internal micro adjustment. This is actually really meant to go over a wetsuit. There you go. There's your diver's extension. I love these bracelets that have these in them. Absolutely. You can use it as a micro adjust if you need to. But again, it's really meant to go over a wetsuit. So pretty cool. Caseback, that's really my only gripe with this watch. I wish Citizen would put those big Eco Drive globe logos back on their casebacks. They just look so cool. I mean, this is a very sterile caseback. It just gives you the basic information about the watch. Obviously, it's screwed down. I mean, it does its job, but I love those Eco Drive logos that are laser etched on casebacks of some of the Citizen watches, I think, that are overseas. That you just don't see them very often over here, which is a shame because I think they're really good looking. I love that fume dial, by the way. As you can tell, it's darker on the edges and kind of gets lighter in the middle. It's just another quality offering, great looking watch, value-packed watch from Citizen. And y'all know I love Citizen. I think some of y'all have said that I'm shilling for Citizen now. I've been shilling for Citizen for probably 15 years, man. I love their watches. I think you get a lot for your money. They're not outrageously expensive, and they're quality built, and they'll last forever. I mean, I've got one Citizen with that monocoque case, that 300-meter diver. Let me see. Let me put it over here. I've had this watch for literally 15 years, maybe 20 years. I've had that one forever. It still serves me perfectly. They're great watches. So you're not going to regret buying a watch from Citizen. Bottom line, they're just great watches. Everybody knows it, and they are by far now my favorite watch brand. Seiko to me has just gotten stale, man. I mean, all the reissues and reimaginations and blah, blah, blah from watches back in the 60s and 70s, and they're just not doing it for me anymore. I mean, I love their watches. I love their dive watches, but Citizen, guys, is just kind of where it's at. Now that Citizen has also expanded their range of automatic watches with the Suyosa and a whole bunch of other watches. So now you can either get a quartz solar watch or you can get an automatic from Citizen, and both of those ranges are just absolutely fantastic. So let me go ahead and put this on my wrist. Let's try it on. I know it's going to fit because they always do right out of the box. I mean, literally, it fits perfectly right out of the box. Now you know I have an 8-inch wrist, so that, you know, kind of, if you want to gauge how this watch is going to look on you, this is how it looks on me on my 8-inch wrist. There you go. Man, really, really comfortable. This would be really cool in titanium too, by the way. I wish they would put this in titanium. That would be fantastic. And maybe put the E365 movement, like that new saturation diver I reviewed, where it's got a year-long battery life. That would be fantastic too. God, it's a good-looking watch. Now, these come in a couple different colors. I think you got the blue here, the black, and I think there's a green and gold, like a green dial with a gold version. I'll put that up on the screen so you can take a look at the colorways that this comes in. So get one of those other colorways if you don't like blue for whatever reason. So anyway, let me go ahead and kill the lights. Let's kill these monitors. And y'all know what's going to happen with this Natulite Lume. That's Citizen's name for their Lume, by the way, Natulite. There we go. Now, for some reason, this doesn't glow blue. This glows green. But man, look at that. I love how it reflects off the chapter ring. Fantastic. Fantastic Lume on this thing, man. Anyway, all right, let's go ahead and cover everything back on. I love to know y'all's thoughts on this watch. Do you think it's a replacement for one of those other Promaster divers that I showed you? Do you think it's just its own model line? I mean, who knows what's going to happen? Citizen has tons of different watches, tons of different model lines. So it might just be another model in their lineup of Promaster watches, or it might be replacing something. I really don't know. I mean, I guess I could ask Citizen and see, this is a replacement. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll reach out to Citizen and ask them if this is actually a replacement watch or it's just going to be its own, its own model. Anyway, you can get yours over at Citizen for $450. I'll make sure to put that link down there in the description field. No codes, no nothing like that. They're brand new, so they are going to be expensive. They might drop in price, in a few months, so if you want to wait and get one of these. But man, I love this watch. I mean, it's just a solid, well-built, very functional, Promaster diver from Citizen. So, you know, again, if you want to get one, head on over to Citizen and pick one up. Again, they're $450 and they come in 3 different colorways. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. I really, really appreciate it when you do that. My subscriber count has really gone up in the last 2 months for some reason, which I really appreciate. Thank you all so much. And thank you so much for watching this review, and I will see you on the next one next week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.